Tell us all about this deal and what it means.
Yes, thanks for the opportunity. And first of all, let me give you a little bit background about the company. The company was established in 2011, and Innovent has developed a fully integrated multifunctional platform, including the R&D, CMC process, clinical development, and commercialization capabilities. In other words, in the 10 years periods, we successfully transformed the company from a biotech company to a biopharmaceutical company. Leveraging from the platform, we currently have 23 clinical stage products in development, out of which we have 4 big molecule biological products on the market, including the anti-PD-1 products. And this particular product, we actually sold last year more than 2.2 billion RMBs, representing about 100% increases from the previous years. The company is also very much focused on research and development, as well as focus on collaborating with international giants, such as Eli Lilly, Roche, Incyte, MD Anderson's, and other huge pharmaceutical company, biological company, as well as institutions. Along with those collaboration, we should be able to provide better drugs, licensing in, licensing
Ronnie?
out, as well as develop the better drugs for the patients. Thank you.
Ronnie, what's your take? I mean, there's fierce competition in China, on this PD-1 cancer drug here as well, and the prospect of such advanced immunotherapy, I should say, becoming really part of an ongoing procurement bidding process that ultimately, according to some people out there, could lead to a 50% fall on average of prices.
First of all, I think it's important to realize there are a lot of patients in China need this kind of drugs. And with this drug introduced back in 2018 by Merck and BMS, late 2018, and later by company like us, as well as other domestic company. Currently, I think there are about 6 companies providing not the same, but a PD-1 related product, and 2 companies provide a PD-L1 related product to the market. The market actually expanded substantially when us into the so-called NRDL, or the government insurance program, EPOP. We continue to believe at this time we only scratch the surface.
Okay, scratching the surface. What's your thoughts on, trying to become a major player in the developed market here and becoming a global biopharma company? We've seen a lot of focus on healthcare over the last 18 months or so, and it's certainly been a driver. How's your company, I guess, faring on that front in terms of the prospects of becoming an international pharma company?
Thank you for the question. I think it is important to realize a lot of drugs need to develop with a cooperation with international big pharmas. We have been doing quite a lot of those things. Our first product, the anti-PD-1 product, just recently licensed out to Eli Lilly for global entry. And we will continue to develop products with a first-in-class type of product, with the possibility of a global penetration. We believe, along with that line, with the cooperation with the international big pharmas, we should be able to provide better drugs for everyone in the world.
We've just got a line flashing on the screen there about your share placement and the fact you raised $610 million a few weeks ago when you tapped the market for that cash. Tell us what you are planning on doing with that, and I guess it's going further into R&D and clinical trials here.
Yes, we currently have our operation in China as well as in the US and in UK. We will further those kind of development overseas, as well as looking into the possibility for licensing in, merger acquisition, and other ways look into meaningful collaborations and development to speed up our process of product development.
We're looking as well as, I guess, some near-term catalysts for driving the direction of your company forward. What are you looking at here?
First of all, we just announced a few days ago in terms of the latest approval of our first-line non-squamous, non-small lung cancer in China, a new indication add-on to our anti-PD-1 products. We look forward to 3 more indications to be approved. Right now is pending for approval, including a liver cancer indication. We are also looking forward to our collaboration with Eli Lilly to bring the product quickly into the international market. Further to that, we are also looking into new development. I mentioned we have 23 products in development right now, but further to that, we have quite a lot of preclinical products. All of those could be first in class, and we look forward to seeing those products bring to the clinical stages.